Hi, I'm Alexander, and today we will continue our acquaintance with GitLab. Firstly, we need to create a project. Let's start with a blank project. Project name. Here's okay. We will not deploy it anywhere, also let's left it empty. Private and public. Then readme, as I already told, must have. Create. Okay, I will record a separate video how to work with SSH. Also, we will skip it for now. And what next? Let's clone it using HTTPS. Here you can see also clone with Visual Studio Code. It's my second favorite way to clone it. Let's try it. Yes, you need to trust. Now you need to clone it. Here you can see on the Visual Studio Code option. It is my second favorite way to clone projects. Yes, and poof. Yeah. To work with Visual Studio Code, we need to download a separate Git. That is because in Visual Studio, Git is built in, but in Visual Studio Code we need to download a general Git. Let's do this. It's quite simple and fast process. Here I recommend you to choose the Visual Studio. So many settings. Every time I install Git, it adds some new settings. It's crazy. Okay, let's try one more time to clone. We need to reopen Visual Studio Code. Yes, choose a directory. It will ask for credentials. Sign in with browser is the most convenient way, as for me, to authorize. Cool. And try to open. Yes, we trust. Also, a little trick from me. Also a little trick from me, when I clone with Visual Studio Code, I always create a workspace. And I do a prefix all, because I save this workspace in the root directory. And if you are working as full stack developer, and even if not, for example, when you will do some DevOps things, you will use Visual Studio Code. And using workspace is quite easy. First, it's to find appropriate workspace and save, and workspace in Visual Studio, it is the same as a solution in regular Visual Studio. And let's create a new project. As always, we're creating a Blazor. Let's choose this mark. Stop. Cache, and we don't need it. Cool. Let's check. Always check, because it's very important. Very rare, but sometimes project could be broken. Cool. That's enough, and let's check the difference in structure. As you remember, with GitHub, you didn't mark that mark to put solution to the same folder, and it have created separate folder, and now it looks like this. And let's just push our changes to the GitLab. As you remember, we need to add gitignore file, as you can see, with gitignore file we can commit only appropriate files, no any trash like DLLs and so on. Fine, let's check. Everything's in place. Cool, thanks. Have a nice day.